Do you speak English? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Can I make an interview with you?
Yes.
Very short. Okay. So, where are you from?
I am from Italy.
From Italy.
Italy, yes.
Okay, I have been to Italy for about 20 days.
Oh, perfect. Where did you stay in Italy?
I stayed in Milano
Oh, Milano. Nice,
for
beautiful.
the fair.
Ah, nice.
Then I go to Rome.
Rome. Oh,
Rome.
beautiful. How do you like it?
It's amazing. It's a wonderful place.
Nice, cool.
Yeah.
Buongiorno.
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 Buongiorno. So, are you the first time been here
Yes, the first time
in Shenzhen?
in Shenzhen.
So you already stayed the other place in China?
No, I'm only here, and I was also in Hong Kong,
Okay.
but here for working.
You're here working.
Working, yes.
Okay. I also have a guest house business in Hong Kong. Airbnb style. The people come from outside, then book for the Airbnb. They stay in our apartment.
Okay.
But
Good.
after the COVID-19,
Yes.
we closed.
You closed. Okay.
Yeah, after COVID-19, I have no choice
Okay.
because nobody visits. So what's your job?
I'm a dental technician engineer.
Dental.
So for dental healthcare.
Dental healthcare.
Yes, always smile.
Okay. Okay. Dental engineer
Yes.
for the material or for what? For the machine.
Yeah, for CAD CAM, so implant technology and scanning, designing, milling and printing.
Milling and printing, 3D printing
Yes,
for the
for the teeth.
teeth.
Yes.
Okay. One of my friend, his son, he is exactly the same as how to say, major with you.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Great.
very cool. Huh?
Awesome. That's nice.
So,
Amazing.
you are working in Shenzhen.
I was here in Shenzhen, yes, for
Yeah.
work. But originally I worked for a company in Europe. So we had a transfer
Okay.
of technology.
It's a high tech.
High tech, yes.
I know also in China, some dentists will study maybe in Germany, maybe will in Europe.
That's right.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
So you come to this area just for travel.
I'm coming here only for, let's say, looking a little bit what is the latest electronic technology here.
And Chinese products should be go down.
Down, I was already there.
You can see some a 3D printing machine
I have seen, yes. I have seen.
and
It's
some
amazing.
some how to call telegraph or what, made small.
Small parts, really small.
Yeah. Many high tech can use in future in the dentists.
We can use mostly everything. We can play with sensoric,
Yeah,
with printed teeth, with miller teeth,
yeah.
everything.
Okay. So good. So what's your name?
Ivan,
Ivan.
Ivan.
Easy.
and your name?
My name is Jack.
Jack. Nice to
Jack.
meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ivan. Huh?
And always welcome to Italy.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, follow, and visit tfczone.com for more tech gadgets.